Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. And yeah, I again came outside to make videos for you guys. So this video is all about the different things that you might need to remember before coming to Ireland. And yeah, so we'll start with the first point, that is like weather. So like in Ireland you can't predict the weather, because anytime weather will get changed, and you can't do anything on that. Because see, sometimes it is sunny bright day, and within 5 to 10 minutes the rain might come, and you might need to change your plan according to the weather. So you can't actually predict the weather. Wind is the major part, because if it is raining, then the wind is really strong, and you can't bring your umbrella with you. You can't use your umbrella because that will not work because of the heavy wind. So yeah, you just need to keep that particular points in mind, that every time whenever you are going outside, you just need to see the weather, whether it is raining or whatever it is. So you just need to create your plan as per the weather, and keep that particular point in mind. You just need to search for your accommodation, and I will suggest you guys that please search your accommodation near to university, because you just need to go university every day. And if weather is not good, if it is heavy raining, and sometimes it might snow and everything, so you can't go to your university if you are living far. So yeah, try to search your accommodation near to university, and it will help a lot. So that is the first point. And talking about the some states, and in spring, the weather will be from 8 degrees celsius to around 15 degrees celsius, and in the summers it might go over 16 degrees celsius to around 19 degrees celsius, or sometimes it might touch 20 degrees celsius. And talking about the winters, the weather might go around 3 degrees, 2 degrees, and sometimes it might go around -1 degree celsius or so. That is the first point. So if you will come in September or in August, the weather will be around 10 degrees, or within that particular ranges, 7 to 10 degrees. So you just need to keep that particular thing in mind, and plan your trip according to that particular thing. Now, next point is food. So, if you are vegetarian, then it will be like a problem, because there is not much options for vegetarians in any of the restaurants. So, if you consider some restaurants, then if you are going over there, then there will be a lot of options for non-vegetarians, but there will be a few options for vegetarians. And if you consider fast food, then in McDonald's also, or in Burger King also, there is only one or two options for vegetarians, and other are for non-vegetarians. So if you are vegetarians, you need to cook on your own, and that is the main thing. And now, if you are coming from India, then keep in mind that all the Indian vegetables are not available in big supermarkets like in Tesco, Lidl, or Aldi. So you just need to get the vegetables from Asian markets if it is not available in big markets. So yeah, that is the main thing you just need to keep in mind. Now, third point is you will miss your family, because you are coming alone over here. So you just need to keep this point in mind, that no one will be here for you as a person, because you can just talk with your family if you have any problems or anything, but they are not here physically. So you will miss that particular thing. Sometimes you might feel homesickness and everything. You will get good friends over here, but keep one point in mind, that everyone over here, they are just doing their work, because they are also here for their careers. And it might be possible that if you are in some problems, and at that particular time you don't have anyone to support you, and you can't tell them because they are busy in their life and everything. So this might be the situation where you will feel alone, you will feel helpless and everything. So you just need to do nothing. Ireland is a really good place, Ireland is really good country. And wherever you are living, you are living in a Cork, or you are living in a Dublin, there will be greenery everywhere. So just go outside, start walking, and yeah, that is the best way to ignore the your problems and get out of that particular problems, and just make yourself relax. So that is one thing I observed. And more upon that, you can just make yourself busy in learning new things. And more upon that, the best thing is that make yourself busy in study, because anyhow you are here for study, so you need to study a lot. So just make yourself busy in study. That is the best option. And whenever you will feel bored, or whenever you will feel that I'm in trouble but no one is here, you will feel kind of a homesickness, just talk with your family, just make a video call with them, and you will feel better. So that is the option that I'm giving. But you just need to think yourself, because you will get friends, but it might be possible that they will not be with you whenever you will need them, because they are here for their career. So they might be working, they might be busy with their study. So just keep in mind that there might be some point where you will feel alone. So just start walking. That is the best way. Now next point is you will have limited amount to spend. You just need to plan your total amount per month. So consider it like this: if you are doing part-time work, then you are earning around 750 euros to 800 euros a month, and from that amount you are paying your rent, bills, and more upon that you are spending on groceries and different items. So you will not have that much amount to spend in big items or expensive items. Or you can say, when I was in India, I was spending a lot of money in shopping different items, and whatever I want, I was just spending amount to buy that particular item. So that is not case in Ireland, because you have limited amount and you just need to figure out how you will spend that particular amount in within 1 month, so that you can cover up your own expenses. So that you need to keep in mind. And sometimes it might be possible that you have some financial problems, let's consider the example that your laptop might stop working, and you just need to spend some money to repair that particular thing. So for that kind of a scenario, you just need to start saving. So don't spend a lot of money in different items which you don't want. Just live normal life, simple life. If you have money, if you are from good family, then you can spend. But if you are coming on loan, if you are coming with your own money, then also you just need to keep these points in mind. Don't spend money in the items that are not required right now. So just spend money in necessary items. Other than that, just start saving, because it will help a lot. And I can give you one example. If you will talk about the current situation, then there is nothing no part-time job and nothing. So I did some savings and everything, which I am using right now. Otherwise, if it might be possible that if I start spending that particular amount, then right now in this particular scenario, I might need to ask my parents to send me money. But yeah, I have savings, so I'm using that particular things right now. And yeah, that is the main thing. So these are the different points that you need to keep in mind. Weather is really unpredictable over here. You will miss your family. That is, if you are vegetarian, then yeah, there is some problems for you. But you just need to start cooking on your own. If you don't know how to cook, then yeah, start learning that particular things also. And if you will not learn cooking, then also no need to worry, because anyhow you will learn after coming to Ireland. So you don't need to worry about anything. And yeah, just start saving some money. It will help a lot. So these are the some points that I observe after coming to Ireland and after starting my study over here. I hope this particular information will help you in order to start your journey in Ireland. And if you have any other problems or queries, you can do make a comment down below. I will answer over there. Please like this particular video and do support me on a Patreon, and I will see you guys in next video. Bye bye.